Welcome back, mga teachers. And if you reach this step three or this part, the pronunciation test, congratulations in passing the device test. So you are now ready to do the pronunciation test. So in doing the pronunciation test, you need to make sure that naka-turn on po yung camera ninyo while doing the pronunciation test. So it's better to have a good background and lighting. Make sure na yung nasa likod po ninyo is clutter-free, malinis, kung white background, that's better. But if you don't have a white background, make sure lang na walang dumadaan, walang pets na dumadaan, walang pusa, ganun. So just make sure that everything at your back is okay. Yes. So good lighting as well. And make sure din na kitang-kita yung mukha ninyo while doing the pronunciation test. Question, teacher, kailangan po bang naka-on yung camera while doing the test? Yes po. You need to make sure that your camera is turned on. It's because the team from Poly English, yung recruitment team, will be checking your recording if you are really the one doing the pronunciation test. So by the way, in doing the pronunciation test, make sure that you need to take note of this one. You only have 3 attempts to do the pronunciation test. So if I were you, I will be practicing reading this paragraph here, this paragraph. Because if you know yourself that you are not really that good in reading, especially in articulation, just like me, hindi po ako English major, but I did my best in the pronunciation test. Nag-practice ako ng practice before clicking the record button. So yes, if I were you, practice muna bago you hit or before you click the record button. So let's say, for example, you are done with your first attempt and then you see na hindi ka masyado satisfied sa first attempt mo or sa first pronunciation test mo and you decided to do your second attempt. So please make sure na yung second attempt po ninyo is better than the first one. Why? It's because, let's say for example, nag-second attempt ka na, eh, nakita mo na mas better pala yung first na ginawa mo doon sa, I mean, mas better pa yung first attempt mo na recording. So unfortunately, you will not be able to go back to the first recording. Yes. So tapo na yun. So if I were you, kung satisfied ka sa first recording mo, just submit it right away. But if you are not satisfied yet, yes, you can do your second attempt provided na mas better yung second attempt mo kaysa first attempt mo na recording. Question, teacher, will I be able to listen to my voice recording after my first attempt? Yes po. You will be able to listen to your voice recording and if you are satisfied, as what I've mentioned, just submit that. Yes. So, kung ako sa inyo, second attempt lang ako. Practice lang ng practice and you are very lucky because you are watching this video and you can actually take a screenshot of this and practice it before you apply in Poly English or while waiting for your background information to be approved, you can actually practice this pronunciation test. So yeah, so in reading, ito po yung pagbabasa ng paragraph na ito. So for example, I'm doing my pronunciation test now. So ito yung gagawin ninyo. Before everything else, make sure na ready ka na. Make sure you check your microphone, you check your camera, and before you click, I mean, after you click the record button, smile and then do like this. In the Philippines, Miss Clara, a teacher, planned a day of adventure. She set up a beautiful tent under one of the 33 trees on the school grounds. The children, excited to participate, used a pen and pencil to draw a picture of a penguin. They played games where they had to catch hidden crabs using spoons and skip over imaginary triceratops and predators. They also learned to throw objects without hitting each other. Clapping when they saw a magpie and avoiding the trap kept them thrilled. The clock ticked as they enjoyed their time. The day ended with a story about treasure on the television at the station. Yes, so stop. So make sure lang na kung nandito na kayo sa treasure on the television at the station, after reading the last part, you smile sa camera and then click stop and then replay your recording and if you're satisfied, click submit. So yes, yun lang po yung gagawin ninyo sa pronunciation test. And as what you have observed in my presentation, there are some words that are in green fonts color. So these are the words na para sa akin is nahirapan ako because hindi po ako English major. So I am not really that good when it comes to pronouncing some words, especially yung weakness ko po is letter R and letter L. So talagang nag-practice po ako. So maybe may isang teacher diyan na tulad ko. So please practice. I know the feeling. Yeah, so I know you can do it. Just believe in yourself po. So just be careful with your TH, soft TH sound, yung 33 trees, triceratops, to throw objects, picture of a penguin, ito yung this word predators because noon I pronounce this as predators. Yun pala is predators, ganon. So, yes, just practice lang kung may nakikita kayong words na nahihirapan kayo, just practice it. We have our friend Google. Just look for the correct pronunciation and listen to it over time until you get the correct pronunciation. So, yes, that was it. Click submit. And once you're done, you need to wait for another email that you pass the pronunciation test. So, by the way, after the pronunciation test, once you click submit, you need to go back doon sa application portal and doon sa pinaka-bottom part ng page, dapat yung pronunciation test doon is nakalagay is under review. Your pronunciation test is under review, meaning nasa kanila na yung recording mo. So you just have to wait for the result if you pass the pronunciation test. I know you can do it, teachers. Just believe in yourself, just pray long and more practice. So yes, so I'll see you on the next video, which is the demo part. See you, teachers.